Hello and what is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's been a while na wala akong upload, no? And it's been a while also na wala akong unboxing sa channel ko. Pero this time, this video guys, we are going to unbox this TWS or True Wireless Earbuds with Power Bank. So ano pa hinihintay natin? Tara! First guys, let's get into details nito. So I purchased this via online again. And ang presyo nito guys is murang-mura, no? 299 na earbuds. Wow, saan ka nakakita ng ganun? Doon lang. So, syempre may shipping fee siya papunta dito sa amin na 64 pesos to make it. Alam niyo na, you do the math. So, without further ado, buksan na natin to. And let's find out how it works. Tara! So, this is the item guys. Simple, napakasimpleng box lang ang pinaglagyan nila. Pero maganda yung nasa box. Magandang girl. So, may sticker dito. Na ibig sabihin white yung, black yung color nito. So, yung nakalagay. TWS, True Wireless Stereo. This one naman is True Wireless Earbuds with Power Bank. So, may case ito na with power bank. So, pwede siyang wireless, hands-free, and etc. So, yan. May power bank nga talaga siya. So, yan. Nandiyan din ibang details. So, meron dito yung with handle, with display screen. So, this is the item that I received, no? So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's open it up. So, wala silang kaarte-arte dito, no? Agad-agad. Yan na yung item, oh. So, ayun. Yan, oh. Ito yung dalawang earbuds. These two earbuds. So, napisil ko lang is parang nagre-react na siya kagad. Isa hindi. Ayun. So, may touch sensor siya dito, guys. So, how it will work, hindi ko pa alam. So, let's find out, no? So, ito yung with handle nga, no? Yung handle niya is from parang leather. Authentic leather. So, we will try to open it. Ayan. So, dito natin i-charge itong dalawang earbuds. So, let's immediately saglit lang, tignan natin. Meron pa yata sa ilalim. So, meron siyang kasamang micro USB charger and dalawang pares ng earbuds replacement depending na sa laki. So, dalawa yan. So, focus muna tayo dito. So, ito mismo yung power bank niya guys. Tingnan natin yung plastic. Ito mismo yung power bank niya. Dito natin i-charge ang dalawang earbuds. So, tingnan natin kung anong measure ng battery niya para makita natin kung anong percentage ng battery niya, no? So, it's blinking na ganyan. Siguro nag-search yan ng ano. So, yan. May display din yan. It's 62% yung battery nito. So, I guess ito ay mahina na ang battery. Ito, medyo may ano pa, no? Medyo may charge pa yan. So, pwede natin isara. Nakita natin dyan. It's blinking. They are both blinking. And of course, pwede natin itong gamitin pang charge. May type A and then micro USB. So, mamaya ito try natin na i-charge kung mag-charge nga itong unit na to. So, ang kagandahan nito guys, napakasimple Pero napakasimple pero napakaganda. At murang-mura. So, ayan. So, try natin i-pair sa isa kong cellphone, no? Try natin i-pair, guys, no? Para matry natin. So, it's blinking na ganyan. So, I guess it is searching. Searching na ng Bluetooth kung saan siya pwedeng kumonek. Yung open. So, we'll try this phone. Ayan. So, searching na. Yun. TWS. Connect natin. Now, it's pairing. Pair. Ayan, connected na siya. Alright. So, mag-try tayo ng music. Let's try it. Nga guys, connected na siya sa ears ko. And now, I am playing music. Alright. So, it's good. It's good. It's playing good. Okay na okay siya. So, if you press it once, it's going to power on, or once again it will power off. So if we will try to long press it. So kung ilo-long press mo siya, guys, maglilipat siya ng music. So kung may playlist ka, long press mo lang siya na matagal, magpo-proceed siya sa next music kahit hindi mo pa natatapos yung isang music. So the sound is good. The sound is great. Like any other earbuds na ginagamit natin. So I'm playing music right now, and it's very very good. I'm playing it on YouTube. The sound is great, guys. Sounds great. Napaka-solid niya. Narinig mo yung bass and everything. Alright. So yan. Let's proceed naman. Try natin siyang i-charge. Charge natin yung power bank mismo, and we will try the power bank alone if it can charge a cell phone. Let's do that. Come on. So by the way, guys, it has some magnet in here, no? So upon placing it, nakakapit ka agad. Alright. Ganun nga. So it's red. Ibig sabihin it's red. Low na ang power niya. Ibig sabihin na kailangan mo na mag-charge. Kapag nag-blue na siya, that means that is full charge. I can't not see any green in here kasi. So that means yung blue, yun na yung full charge niya. So now naman try natin kung nag-charge ba itong power bank niya. So I have some charger here. Try natin kung mag-proceed siyang mag-charge. Ayan. So micro USB to, guys, micro USB. So alright, it's charging, guys, no? Kitang-kita nyo naman, it's 59%. Ayan. So may handle pa siya. So ngayon, i-try naman natin kung kaya niya i-charge ang phone, ano? Kasi since may type A siya dito, let's try it kung it can charge a phone for emergency purposes. So let's try this. Kung kaya niya i-charge. And it is charging, guys, as you can see. So parang 2 and 1 na ang purpose nito. May backup power bank ka pa. So, goods na goods. Yan, it's charging. Alright. So, that's it. So, that's it guys for this video. So, my review for that item is it's very very good. So, napakamura pero napaka-slick ng features niya. So good. If I'm going to rate this item guys is I'm going to rate it 8 out of 10. The quality I don't know pero it looks sturdy naman. It looks durable naman as sa feel at touch ko din sa design niya guys, no. So thank you for watching guys. Tune in lagi. Subscribe, like mo na rin yan. And until my next video guys. Stay safe. God bless.